Hey, what's up YouTube? Luke the Window Cleaner. Today we're taking our favorite water-fed pole, the Xero Ultimate 40, and we're going to upgrade the old clamps to the new Phantom clamps. What you'll need, obviously, is a Xero Ultimate, a set of Phantom clamps, and you need a heat gun or a blow dryer to heat up the sections here. Take those clamps off, and we're gonna put these on. So let's do it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is disassemble all these sections. Okay, now, the reason I want to upgrade, I love these old clamps, but with glue-on clamps, they will come loose from the pole. It just happens with any glue-on clamps, which isn't a big deal. You'll just have to glue them back on. So with the new Phantom clamps, they're bolt-on and we won't have that issue. And the Phantom clamps, in my opinion, are the best clamps on the market right now. I would like to get those on here and give it a go. So we're going to heat up the sections on low. We're going to try to pull that off. Okay, one down, 7 more to go. Awesome. Some of these are already loose. Might just be able to pull them off. Definitely easier with the heat gun. Oh yeah. All right. Since I have these sections apart, I'm gonna take some quad Xero steel wool. I'm just gonna clean up these sections a little bit here. If you want, you could get all the adhesive off. I don't think it's much gonna matter. Okay, let's put our first section on, our first clamp on. Make sure it's seated down all the way. Rubber mallet. Okay. Once that's seated on all the way, go ahead and tighten your clamp up. Very nice and sturdy. For the next one, I wouldn't over tighten these. You don't want to break them. Nice and good. You'll feel it when it hits that groove. Just make sure, check it. Make sure it's all the way on. Okay, last one. Now it might just slide on. And you'll have to adjust these. It's your preference. I think the most important thing is, guys, when you're putting these on, just make sure that carbon fiber is flush with the clamp there. Looks like that's the case except for that last clamp. And if you made this upgrade, I think it's worth every penny. These are just such smooth action non-slip clamps, and they're bolt-on, so you'll never have that problem again of them coming loose. If they do, you just simply tighten them with an Allen wrench. Oops, over tighten that. What great clamps. Oh my gosh. My favorite pole just got better. Look at it. Oh wait, when they're tightened, I mean, they're not going anywhere. You'll just have to go through and, oh my gosh, it's so rock solid. And they're so easy to use. So you can find these replacement clamps for your Xero Ultimate over on windowcleaner.com. Guys, if you have any questions about the installation here, please feel free to ask. And yeah, be sure to comment on the video, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll put this to use this summer. This is my favorite freaking pole. Just got better.